Did you know the typical space rocket launch produces more than 1,000,000 pounds of thrust that allows to take more than 1,000 kgs of payload at the speed topping 22,000 miles per hour to space? The energy produced in space launch is so immense that it is safe to call it a controlled explosion. Today, we are going to see some of India's best and reliable rockets made by ISRO. Indian Space Research Organization or ISRO built India's first satellite, and it was launched by Soviet Union in 19th April 1975. The satellite was named after mathematician Aryabhat. India realized that depending on foreign power was not so feasible due to diplomatic reason, so is ISRO decided to make their own vehicle launch program. ISRO made its first launch vehicle called SLV or Satellite Launch Vehicle. SLV was very basic launch vehicle which was able to carry 40 kgs of payload to space. It was entirely solid fuel launch vehicle. Rocket was used to carry Rohini satellite series to low Earth orbit. The launch vehicle which replaced SLV was ASLV, which stands for Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle in 1983. ASLV was much powerful than SLV. ASLV was able to carry payload up to 150 kg to low Earth orbit up to 400 kilometers. ASLV is used to launch the stressed Rohini satellite series to orbit around Earth over a span of 7 years of 1977 to 1984. The construction and propulsion system of ASLV are similar to SLV. Just like name suggests, ASLV used augmented solid booster to increase its range and capacity. Of the 4 total launches of ASLV, only one was successful in launching the payload to the given orbit. Due to low success rate and low payload capacity, the SLV and ASLV was discommissioned and not used anymore, then replaced by much bigger PSLV, which stands for Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. The Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle and PSLV was developed by ISRO due to necessity of more reliable rockets. PSLV was developed to launch India's Remote Sensing Satellite or IRS. The PSLV has its first flight in 1993, but the mission was total failure as it was not able to reach full orbit due to failure. In second stage of rocket, the following year, second PSLV was launched, which carried IRS or Indian Remote Sensing Satellite. Although rocket had rough start, PSLV has very good safety rating. The PSLV is in service in over 2 decades. Of the 50 launches of PSLV, only 2 were complete failure up to date. Due to unmatched reliability and safety, the PSLV earned its title the workhorse of ISRO. This is because of extremely simple yet reliable and flexible design of rocket. Unlike foreign rockets, the PSLV does not totally depend on cryogenic fuel in its main stage. It is a 4-stage launch vehicle with the first and third stage using solid rocket motor and second with 4 liquid strap-on fourth stage using liquid rocket engine. The rocket also uses strap-on solid booster to augment thrust provider first stage and depending on the number of these strap-on boosters. The PSLV is classified into its various versions like PSLV-CA, PSLV-G and PSLV-XL. Because of this modification, PSLV proved as highly versatile rocket capable of launching wide variety of payload. The PSLV was also responsible of carrying many notable payload of ISRO like India's first lunar probe Chandrayaan, Chandrayaan-1, India's first interplanetary mission Mangalyaan, and also India's first observatory Astrosat. After PSLV's success, ISRO also built GSLV, which stands for Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. GSLV is the largest launch vehicle developed by India. which is currently in operation. This fourth generation launch vehicle is 3-stage vehicle with 4 liquid strap-ons. The indigenous cryogenic upper stage, which is site proven, formed third stage of GSLV Mark II. GSLV Mark I was launched on April 2001, successful carrier 1.5 ton of GSAT satellite to geostationary orbit. In total, 6 launches of GSLV Mark I variant 3 were successful. The Mark II variant of rocket was first launched on 15th April 2010. However, launch was a failure. This was because of a new cryogenic upper stage engine was not able to generate sufficient thrust to reach the intended orbit. Of the launch of GSLV Mark II, variant 6 was successful and only one was in, and it has proven to be very reliable launch vehicle. From January 2014, the vehicle has achieved various success. The updated version of GSLV Mark II is GSLV Mark III. GSLV Mark III was chosen to launch Chandrayaan-2 spacecraft. It is a 3-stage heavy lift launch vehicle developed by ISRO. GSLV successfully injected Chandrayaan-2, India's second lunar mission, into the Earth parking orbit on 22nd July 2019. From Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, and ISRO also has one launch vehicle which is under experimental stage called Reusable Launch Vehicle. The RLV successfully completed its first atmospheric test flight on 23 May 2016, which lasted for 770 seconds and reached a maximum altitude of 65 kilometers. It was designed to evaluate various technologies, and development of the final version is expected to take few years. The fully developed RLV is expected to take off vertically like a rocket, deploy a satellite in orbit, return to Earth, and land on a runway. This technology will be developed by ISRO in near future. Comment down which is your favorite vehicle and why. And thank you so much for watching this video. Comment topics on which you would like to see next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We will meet you in next video. Thank you and Jai Hind.